How many of you has completed my plank challenge previously? So a lot of you have requested for a new plank challenge. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to complete this 5-minute plank challenge. And I want you to let me know if you can complete this entire workout or how long did you manage to hold the plank. Let me know in the comments below. There will be 10 exercises and each exercise will be for 30 seconds long and we will move on to the next workout without any break, okay? We all know that plank is a really good core workout. It works on your upper body and also your legs. So let's get ready and let's do this. Okay, so just give me your best shot. We will start with basic plank to begin with, okay? So get down onto the mat. Remember that your shoulders should always be shoulder width apart, elbows directly underneath your shoulder, okay? Keep your body flat and just hold this pose for 30 seconds. That's your first plank exercise, okay? So remember, butt do not pike up, do not arch your lower back. Give me a nice solid flat back. And you are halfway there. 14 more seconds, 10 more seconds. If you feel your arms shaking, if you feel your core shaking, that is absolutely fine. That means you're engaging your muscles, okay? The second plank will be plank rock. So I want you to rock your body back and forward, okay? Simple, forward and back. So plank rock, good. Forward and back, tighten, engage your core. Feel your abs tightening, really suck your belly in, squeeze your butt, everything should be tight. Feel your shoulders and just relax your upper body and keep rocking, very good. Sometimes minimal movement is the best, okay? Next, plank dip. So just dip side to side, good. Left and right, lower your hips as low as you can. Dip, and you should feel your obliques working more for this plank. Very nice. Keep going, keep dipping, left and right. Good. This is exercise number 3. And the next one will be plank leg tap, okay? So stand, open out, and in. Good. Alternate. Each side. Very good. Out and in. Just hold it. Feel your abs. It should start to burn slightly now. Good. Keep going. Left and right. Tap it. Keep your back and your body straight. 5 more seconds. Tap in and out. And keep tapping. And next will be arms, okay? So reach, tap, tap. This is a little bit more challenging, okay? So reach out and tap. Good, keep going. Tap to the side. Very good. How are you doing? Still surviving? Keep going. And the next plank will be sprinter plank. Okay? We want to get up onto your palms. Keep going. Remember to breathe in. All right, up. And it's like a sprinter, like a mountain climber basically, okay? So this is going to add a little bit more cardio to your routine and your challenge. Good. So bring your knees in, point your toes, and sprint. Halfway there. Very good. Woo. Feel your heart rate raising. And feel your core muscles working. All right, hold it there. Plank jack. So keep your upper body strong and just jack in and out. Very good. It's still on your cardio. Nice. Remember to keep your back as flat as you can. More than halfway there. 10 seconds left. Keep going. 5 seconds. Last 4. And we want to go for plank up, down. Let's go down and push it up. Good. Down and push it up. Alternate. Good. Down and up. Stay strong. Stay with me. You are almost there, okay? You're almost 4 minutes in to the workout. Good. Stay strong. Push up and down, up and down. Woo. Up, down, and push up and just hold it here. Okay, let's go for Spiderman Plank. So bring it in, crunch it to the side. Okay, bring your knee to your elbow. Good. Feel the side of your abs working. Very good. So out and keep going. You have under 1 minute. And the final will be a plank cross. Keep going and just hold it there. Cross it over. Good. Last 30 seconds. Do not stop now. I know your arms are probably dying. Your core is shaking, but you got this. Last 15 more seconds. Keep crossing. Crossover, knee to elbow. And you will get a break. Come on. My arms are getting weaker and weaker. And just relax and stretch it out. Well done. That was your 5-minute plank challenge. Let me know if you actually completed the entire challenge. If to begin with, you can only hold the plank for 2 minutes, that's all right. Keep doing this workout right at the end of your workout session and you will slowly progress and improve, okay? This is a really good core workout. Minimal movement, very little movement, but you will really target those muscles. So, challenge your friend, tag your friend in the comments below, get them to do this plank challenge with you and see who did better. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more workout challenges, workout videos, fitness tips and also delicious and healthy recipes. Don't forget to turn on your notification button so that you will get notified every time I share a new video. All the best and keep planking!